Good morning to you all, guys and dear students. Welcome back again to the online classes of English for class 12. Today, 6th May 2021, in subject English, English reader Flamingo, poetry part, the first poem My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. About the poet, here the word poet is used as common noun. Kamla Das is the poetess. Kamla Das 1934 was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. Kamla Das has published many novels and short stories in English and Malayalam under the name Madhvi Kutti. Some of her works in English include the novel Alphabet of Lust 1977, a collection of short stories Padmavati the Harlot and other stories 1992, in addition to 5 books of poetry. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationship in lyrical idiom. My Mother at 66 is an example. Thus, the poem is like this. Before you read, aging is a natural process. Have you ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us? Think over this and try to answer yourself the answer of this. The poem is like this. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her well pain as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fair. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. Glossary, the word meaning from this poem are like this. Foremost means the most important or famous. Originality means reality. Versatility means having many different qualities. Indigenous flavor of the soil means attachment or scent or smell of the native soil. Sensitive means filled with emotions. Complex means difficult to understand. Subtleties means not very noticeable or obvious. Lyrical means expressive or songable. Idiom means proverb. Aging means being old. Elderly parents means old persons in family. Expect means hope. Beside means by the side of. Doze means sleep lightly or drowsily. Ashen, it is the verb from ash, means very pale or ash colored. Corpse means dead body, especially of a human. Realized with pain means was sad. Put that thought away means removed that fear. Sprinting means running at full speed or short fast race or running. Merry means cheerful. Spilling out means coming out. Security check means investigating by security. Wan means colorless or looking pale and weak or sickly. Familiar ache means a continuous dull pain which she knew well. And childhood's fear means the fear of old age, of losing the mother, or of growing old. Thus, In this first poem, note down about the poet or go through the poem, read the whole of the poem which is written in a single sentence and in single stanza. After that, note down these difficult words from this poem in your fair notebook of English reader Flamingo just after the first prose lesson, which is now completed. Nice meeting to you the next day with the explanation of this poem. Have a good day. Be safe. Stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.